Hello. 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 Hello.
Welcome back to my channel.
It's time. You guys, we are about to make another hair. We are about to make, you stay one place, let me not sweat for you. So guys, we are about to make another hair. If I open this cap, you guys will run away. Let me not just open this cap. Should I? Let me cover my hair. Let's create some magic with lush extension. This is what we are using. Color black, color 2 actually. Is this color 2?
You guys, I don't know why my face is looking this serious. Like I haven't even started the work, but I'm tired already. Why? How? Well, whatever thing it is that is making me to keep this strong face, please, I don't want to know. Okay, I don't want to know. Okay, so I'm done stretching the extension. So the next thing is to get to work. Like I'm doing it already off camera because you guys, I'm managing my space. My space is screaming for help. So I'm actually doing a simple style, like what is it called, feeding braid. So that is what I'm doing, known as also Ghana weaving. So that is what I'm doing. I don't want to do much. I just want simple something, no stress, just something there, because I don't want to carry my natural hair just like that. I don't want to be combing, detangling, and I promise myself I won't be doing high puff this year because high puff is always dragging my front hair back and I don't want that. So we go again this year with so many braiding. So you guys, I'm just going to let you watch to the end and see what we achieved. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do that. And to my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back, sticking with me. I love you guys so much.